Each day, CDOT employees use their hands to accomplish a variety of job tasks to maintain our roadways. Fortunately, in the last few months, several employees have injured their hands, causing them to lose time off the job or not be able to enjoy personal activities. Worse yet, many of these hand injuries could have been prevented if the employees selected the correct gloves from the many options that CDOT offers to properly protect your hands. For the next 180 seconds, you'll learn how to select and maintain your PPE to better protect your hands in a variety of situations.
Step 1. Identify your hazards. Before any job task, you should identify hazards and special considerations that impact the type of hand protection needed to complete the work safely. JHAs are a great place to start because they provide a rundown of the most common hazards CDOT employees find while performing similar work, as well as a list of recommended PPE. However, as this bridge crew soon discovers, the JHA is just a starting point. You need to continually monitor the worksite and perform pre-job hazard assessments to identify unexpected hazards. For any new hazards you're unprepared for, stop work immediately, consult your work leader or supervisor, and come up with a plan. Having found hypodermic needles and other debris left behind by transients inside the bridge, our crew selected gloves that provide cut and puncture resistance. They also bring in trash pickers and shovels to avoid picking up items with their hands. Whenever possible, try to mitigate or engineer out the hazard instead of relying on PPE. Step 2. Select the proper hand protection. Whether you're out in the field or back in the shop, there is no single glove that is right for every type of job or situation. And while we often default to using our standard leather gloves, some work requires more specialized protection. CDOT currently offers 11 different types of gloves to help you tackle a variety of job tasks required to maintain Colorado's roadways. For help selecting the right glove for your next job, consult the glove matrix to see and compare all CDOT-approved hand protection. Match the job hazards you've identified to the protection categories listed in the matrix to choose the best glove option for your task. Refer to the bottom of the matrix for SAP numbers and ordering information. Step 3. Maintain your hand protection. Like all tools and PPE, hand protection must be cared for and maintained in order to perform as intended and provide maximum benefit to the wearer. Regularly inspect for contamination, rips, tears, and other signs of significant wear that compromise the integrity of the glove. Clean and decontaminate gloves after handling chemicals or biologics. Check for visible punctures and exposed skin and cut-resistant options. And don't be afraid to retire damaged gloves. Throw them out and replace them with a new pair from the shop or area storeroom.
For the last 180 seconds, you've seen how to identify the hazards and then choose and maintain the proper PPE to decrease the chance of injuring your hands. It's now up to my fellow supervisors to use the Safety 180 action sheet to reinforce these steps with their employees to create a safer workplace.